Are you tired of trying to find the right unflavored gelatin for your recipes or health needs? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Now Foods Beef Gelatin. Now Foods Beef Gelatin Powder. This caught my attention because it's a natural thickening agent and a good source of protein, priced around $29.99 for a hefty 4-pound package. If you want a clean, natural way to enhance your recipes, this is worth a serious look. This gelatin is a lifesaver if you're looking to create everything from desserts to savory dishes without artificial additives. With its non-GMO certification and being low sodium, it's perfect for health-conscious cooks. You can mix just 1 tablespoon into your favorite juice and enjoy a protein boost. The fact that it's paleo and keto friendly is a significant plus for anyone on those diets. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You're not just adding texture, you're also getting a dose of protein that can help keep you full longer. Now, some people complained about the taste, saying it can be a bit off when mixed into certain juices. Here's the thing though, if you're blending it into smoothies or recipes, the flavor is often masked, and it's a small trade-off for such a high-quality product. This is perfect for you if you're a health enthusiast who enjoys cooking from scratch. Skip this one if you're looking for something that dissolves instantly in hot water, as it might take a bit longer than other brands. For the value you get with this 4-pound package, it's a great deal. Now, if Now Foods' slight taste issue concerns you, this next product might be a better fit for your culinary adventures. Product number 2, Solgar Gelatin Capsules. We have Solgar Gelatin, which comes in capsule form. This one really caught my eye because it supports bone, joint, and skin health and is priced around $14.99 for 250 capsules. If you want a convenient way to boost your supplements, this is worth considering. What's great about these capsules is that they're gluten-free and free from artificial flavors or preservatives, making them a clean option for anyone worried about allergens. Each capsule contains 1,680 milligrams of gelatin, which can help prevent calcium deficiencies, especially if you're active or aging. Here's why this matters for you. It's not just about taste, it's about supporting your body from the inside out, which is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Now, some users mentioned that the capsules can be a bit hard to swallow. Here's the thing though, if you're not a fan of powders or mixing, these capsules are still an excellent option for getting your daily intake without hassle. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward supplement that integrates easily into your routine. Skip this one if you prefer a non-capsule form or have trouble swallowing pills. For the price and quality, these are a solid choice. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for baking enthusiasts. Product number 3, Knox Unflavored Gelatin. Let's talk about Knox Unflavored Gelatin, which comes in a 2-count pack of 16-ounce canisters. I found it very appealing because it's incredibly versatile for just about any dessert and is priced at around $9.99. If you want a simple, effective gelatin for your culinary creations, this is definitely a winner. With 5 calories per serving and 0 carbs, this gelatin is a fantastic choice for those watching their diet or just wanting a low-calorie option for their recipes. It's allergen-free and comes in a reclosable canister, making it super convenient to store and use. Here's why this matters for you. You can easily whip up everything from jiggly desserts to creamy cheesecakes without worrying about added sugars or fats. However, some users reported that it can clump if not mixed properly. Here's the thing though, as long as you add it to warm water and stir well, you should be fine, and it's a small price to pay for the flexibility it offers. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting in the kitchen and want a reliable thickener. Skip this one if you're looking for something more specific, like a flavored gelatin. For the price and quantity, you really can't go wrong. Now, if Knox's clumping issue worries you, the next product might suit your needs a bit better. Product number 4, Ballistic Gel Powder from Rooted in Rare, which is a unique product designed for professionals and priced at about $44.98 for 2 pounds. This is worth checking out if you're involved in law enforcement or military training and need a high-quality gel for testing purposes. What sets this product apart is its professional-grade clarity, allowing you to visualize bullet trajectories and penetration paths. It mixes quickly and consistently with water, ensuring that you get reliable results every time. For those needing a 10% FBI or 20% NATO block, this gelatin performs exceptionally well. Here's why this matters for you. If you're doing serious testing, the consistency and quality can make all the difference in your results. Now, it's crucial to note that this product isn't food safe, and some reviews mention the price tag as an issue. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for professional purposes, the investment often pays off in the quality of your results, so it's really about your specific needs. This is perfect for you if you're in the law enforcement or military field and need a reliable gelatin for training purposes. Skip this if you're just looking to make desserts, as it's not suitable for that. Given its specialized use, the price reflects its professional value. Alright, that was a unique pick. Let's move on to the final option, which is perfect for casual bakers. Product number 5, LD Carlson Gelatin Finings, which comes in a 1-ounce package for about $7.75. This product caught my eye because it's made from natural ingredients and is a great choice for those who want a clean gelatin option. If you want a simple, high-quality gelatin for your recipes, this is worth considering. This gelatin is perfect for fining and clarifying liquids, especially in wine or beer making. It's lightweight and easy to use, making it great for casual bakers and hobbyists. Here's why this matters for you. It allows you to achieve that perfect texture and clarity in your homemade beverages or desserts, which can elevate your projects significantly. However, some users noted that the package size might be too small for larger recipes. Here's the thing though, for most home projects, a little goes a long way, and it's a fantastic option for those just starting out. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking to improve your culinary skills and want something straightforward. Skip this if you're planning on large-scale use, as you might find it doesn't meet your quantity needs. For the quality and ease of use, it's a solid investment. Now that we've covered all 5 products, let's wrap it up. We've looked at Now Foods for versatility, Solgar for health, Knox for baking, Rooted in Rare for professionals, and LD Carlson for hobbyists. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with Knox Unflavored Gelatin because it offers the best mix of price and versatility in the kitchen. I'd recommend avoiding the ballistic gel powder unless you're in a professional field, as it's not suitable for general use.